Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. The topic we'll be covering is hole-in-one coverage. My name is Carly Rahm. I'm the marketing representative for Griffin Underwriting. I'll go over a brief introduction about GUS, Griffin Underwriting Services. We'll cover some product highlights, quoting instructions, and then as with each tutorial, I'll end with a contact sheet should you have any questions or need assistance later. So Griffin was founded in 1928. We still are family owned and operated by the Griffin family. We were one of the first surplus lines brokers in our region to be granted binding authority by Lloyd's of London. We have just over 100 employees throughout 3 different offices in the Pacific Northwest. We offer solutions for personal lines, commercial lines, transportation, as well as brokerage. We've written over $95 million in premium, and we are licensed in all 50 states, including the District of Columbia. This allows us to work with agents nationwide, which we're very happy to do. So as far as requirements when it comes to writing a hole-in-one coverage, the whole yardage must be at least 125 yards away for the ladies and 150 yards away for men. No practice shots or multi-gains or substitute shots are allowed. No professional golfers can participate. And there has to be an easy eyewitness requirement, so no videotaping necessary. We just have to have a witness there. We offer this product with no deductible, with a minimum premium starting at $200. We can go as high as $50,000 per hole for a prize. An additional 20% of the prize value will be paid to the charity association with the tournament if there is a winner. You can get a quote online for this. You can go to our website, which is www.gogus.com. You're going to log in with your user ID and password. And then you're going to go up to Internet Quoting, which is up at the top. It's a drop-down menu. You're going to click Commercial and Hole-in-One. You can also call 888-875-5219 and speak directly to an underwriter to get a quote. Internet Quoting. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. For those Allstate agents, you can call 844-859-1766 or email us at csr@gogus.com. For those independent or non-Allstate agents, you can call 800-562-8095 or email us at info@gogus.com. Again, my name is Carly. I'm happy to help in any way I can. We want to thank you so much for working with us. We appreciate it so much, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Have a wonderful day.